For each of these lawless, unconstitutional acts with regard to immigration that have been advanced by the president, going clear back to 2011, I've brought appropriations bills that cut off any funding to be spent to advance these projects, whether it was the Morton memos, whether it was DACA, whether it was DAPA, or even defending this case itself before this court. The House has voted to cut off all that funding. So Congress has spoken, at least the House has spoken. But the argument in the middle of this is, can the president rewrite immigration law? Can he point to immigration law that he doesn't like and refuse to enforce it and direct the Border Patrol not to enforce the law? I don't want to be a lawless third world country. I love the America we were, the America we can become again, but not the America under this president.
Right, and it was your actions, too, that you're just describing now. That was one of the reasons the president gave as to why he had these executive actions, saying, well, Congress didn't do it, so I felt the need to go ahead and do it. That's not really what the executive action covers.
Well, and not only that, I'm told that Justice Sotomayor made that argument today that the president, in her Q&A of the Texas Solicitor General, that because Congress didn't act, the president could or did, and then somehow he has some kind of implicit constitutional right to write law. That's breathtaking to me to hear a Supreme Court justice that could assert that because Congress didn't do what the president told us to do, we didn't act because we disagreed, and Congress refusing to act is an assertive action itself. We said, no, we're not going to do that, Mr. President. We're going to keep the laws in place, and we're going to insist that your oath of office, where you pledge to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States, so help you God. And you're required to take care that the laws be faithfully executed. Instead, he's taking care that the laws not be enforced. And that's what's before this court. The president's not the legislature.